Hey Divas, hope you're all doing great. Today I'll do a review of Natural Shine Nail Kit from SoapStories.com. So this kit comes with this info card which will give you all the details regarding the products in it, and I'll mention that as I show the products. So this kit contains one balm for your hands and one cuticle oil and one natural shine nail buffer. So you get these three things in this kit. The packaging on the product is pretty as well as compact, easy to travel with. The balm is infused with vitamin E and green tea to give that perfect smooth skin. It is very thick in consistency and it provides very nice hydration, and I use this at night. And this cuticle oil has aromatic almond and jojoba extracts for a smoother skin. And the nail buffer promotes healthy nail growth and circulation of the nails. And the smooth strip will remove all the remaining nail ridges. And use the side to buff each nail for 2 to 3 seconds to stimulate circulation. Use the shine strip for a glossy nail finish and buff each nail for 5 to 10 seconds for a shine that won't fade for weeks. So first I'm going to start off and I'm going to smooth my nails, just remove my nail ridges and buff my nails. After that I'll take my cuticle oil, and you can see the applicator is very fine and it will give very precise application. There will be no mess around. It is also very easy to refill this type of pen applicators. And I'll just apply the oil around my cuticles, little on my nails, and gently massage it. And I use this cuticle oil like 2 to 3 times in a day. It prevents from getting dry hands, dry skin overall, and I love the smell of this. It is also not very heavy and is very compact and easy to pack in my travel skincare or makeup bag. So coming to the last step, which is the balm, and it will just finish this whole process. It's a very thick balm, so I generally apply during at night because I need the most hydration at that time. And it has a very sweet fruity smell to it, which I really love. But during winter I may apply it more than once in a day because my skin is generally more dry then. And every morning I wake up to softer and smoother hands, and this is part of my everyday skincare routine. Definitely check out this kit from SoapStories.com. The products are of great quality and I'll give all the information in the description below. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.